So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC Biology Exam Revision Series, we have here these 3 questions to answer on the topic Biology of Heredity. So this video will be about sex determination and sex-linked traits. So in short, stay till the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, what is the probability that a pregnancy would result in a male child? A. 1/2. B. 3/4. C. 1. D. 1/4. So guys, the answer here is 1/2. The probability that a pregnancy would result in a male child is 1/2. So in humans, the sex cells will always have the X chromosome and the Y chromosome for the male, whereas it's X and X for the female. So at each point, the female is expected to donate 1 X, while the male is expected to donate either an X or a Y. So in that case, it's determined by the sex chromosome that is donated by the male. So if it's an X, then the pregnancy will result in a female child, and if it's a Y, it will result in a male child. So in that case, the probability is 1/2. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, question number 2. So the question here says, in man, sex is determined by the inheritance of A. a dominant gene for maleness present in man, B. an extra chromosome in the cells of a female, C. 2 similar X chromosomes in the female and X and Y chromosome in the male, D. a pair of homologous chromosomes. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. 2 similar X chromosomes in the female and X and Y chromosomes in the male. So let's check out the next question, question number 3. So the next question here says, in the family of 8, all the children are girls. Which of the following reasons correctly explains this? A. The woman cannot produce male children. B. The Y component of the man's sex chromosome was always involved. C. The S component of the man's sex chromosome was always involved. And D. The man has low sperm count. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. The X component of the man's sex chromosome was always involved. And that's it for that question. So this is where we end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. We also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on WAEC examination. So this will help you as you prepare for your WAEC examination for the year. You can join this channel by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.